Just show you this. This is one of my jobs I've done today, and it's putting in a motorhome caravan power socket, so I can plug my motorhome in at home, or if we get visitors they can stop on our drive and they can use this as a hookup. Wasn't the easiest jobs to do, but it's now done. Hi YouTubers, welcome to my garage, and doing a few updates in the garage. I've got a world map with radio call signs here, so if I'm listening to anything I can pinpoint where they are in the world. And I've got sun blinds up. This is a sun canopy material that was going to be thrown away, and I've made them into curtains. There's one there, one there, one there, and one there. They're like a waterproof material, and it gets blinding in here in the summer when the sun comes through, and it gets like 24-25 degrees C, and because I've got some paint and stuff I store, I didn't want it getting excessively hot, and of course I keep a few tins of beer in here. I've got Alex's Dragon Up, which I really like. That goes well in my workshop, and I'll show you what it looks like from the outside. And Jane's got some flowers, some flowers in the garden, and the curtains or the creases will come out, will hang in, and I'm just painting black behind the guttering because everywhere is white and we don't like white, and so guttering and the roof is black, so that's good. And the curtains are a bit creased, but they look pretty good. Happy with those. And then I've got my ham radio aerial here, which I can hook up, which I've never used to any extent yet for listening into the bands. And yeah, I've got a few jobs to do in the garden. Got to get the guttering back on, but I'm not putting the guttering back on until I give it its second coat. This was white, this fascia board, which is wood. So there's some black paint, and I've also painted the gates. And what have we got in here? We've got some sunflowers going on and a few other things in pots. And that's it for one of these little jobs, which is took me about 3 days so far. Excuse traffic noise at the moment, depends which way the wind's blowing, we get a lot of traffic noise. So what's Jane been doing? Jane's been working on her garden, and got some topsoil to put on here, and there's lumps of clay and things like that, so we're trying to improve the quality of the soil. But Jane's the gardener, I'm not. And so we've got all sorts of things growing. Sunflowers, I think they are, and seedlings everywhere. It's a cold day today, and it's very grey sky. Just playing around with a new radio. This is one I'm going to use in the motorhome when I'm out about. It's a battery transceiver. I think it's 5 watts when you transmit on battery and 10 watts when you're on an external power supply. And I've got it on my washing line aerial at the moment. It hisses a bit, the speaker, but for a low cost battery powered QRP transceiver, I'm pretty pleased with it. And it's got an inbuilt microphone. It came with a mains charger and an external microphone, which is this one. Yeah. Let's see what's on the band, shall we? There's quite a lot of stations coming through at the moment. I'm on 14.295 megahertz USB. Fourteen 279. Yep, so it's just showing it's quite heavy unit. Speaker built in. It's got external mic, PA amplifier, UART, external speaker connection, Morse key connection, and this end it's 2 inputs with the SO239 aerial input, charge input, and a 13.8 input to run it from like your car battery, and it's fully rechargeable, and it came from China, and it's a month early on delivery, which I'm quite impressed. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like.